Hi guys, I'm trying to taste these different type of satay. I don't know which one because there's cow, there's sheep, and there's chicken. So let me try it. I like it. So what type of meat it is? I think this is like chicken. It's definitely chicken. Is it delicious? I think it's good. I could swallow it. So what type of meat it is? I'm not sure because I never tried sheep and cow like this one. Oh. So
Do you like it?
do you like it, Sarah? Not that much. Sorry.
That's alright.
So let me try this one. Ew. I only like this one. Yeah, of course you only like the chicken part. So I want you to guess where's the one that's the sheep and where's the one that's the cow. I think this is cow and this is sheep. Okay, is it true?
The sheep is more chewy. Which one is more chewy?
I don't know. Try it again, Sarah.
I think that's a sheep. It's more chewy, isn't it?
Yeah.
And smell it. Is it smell like sheep?
I never smell sheep. I always smell sheep. You never smell a sheep before? Last time hewan kurban, our sheep Yongjong that I named. There's no translate to it. I think this is sheep. And Yongjong smells very good, even though it is smell bad, but I just want to say good because he's in heaven. I don't know, is it a girl or a boy? I don't know. I don't like it. I think this is sheep. Okay. This one is 10. This one is... I think you're going to choose 0. 1.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
1 out of 10?
Of 10. And this is 10. 1 of 10. And this is 1 of 10. So, minus. Minus?
Minus?
Yeah. So, it's half to 0 and half to 1?